Hi, good morning. It is week 44 of renovations here at the Belfast Community Co-op. This past week we made more progress behind the temporary walls on the front of house. So I will walk through and show you some of that. Drywall went up in our curbside, the shop for me area, and there's some work done back of house on the coolers, the new coolers and the new freezers back there. So I will show you all of that. Here at the front of the store, we demolished the existing entrance so that we can build the new foyer. This is all behind the temporary walls. Josh Moody and his crew have been in this week working on the concrete, so patching and grinding. And this will all be polished this coming week. Drywall went up in the shop for me area, so this area that you're looking at right now, that's the cart returns, that's where all the new shopping carts will be, and then this will be the entrance into shop for me. So all that drywall was placed this past week, and then coming out here, this is where all our new cash registers are going to be, and then this will be our service office. So there will be a service window in the door there, and that's where our front end folks will work out of. Alright, so back of house. These are our freezers, which you've seen before. But this past week, the doors were put on our dairy cooler. So yeah, that is getting closer to coming online and being a usable space for us. Big thing that showed up this week, our new cash register cabinet. So that's what you see here. So we're storing them downstairs, and hopefully we'll be putting them in place this coming week. Also this week, all of the lighting for the sales floor showed up, so it is all stored here. We have it on site and ready to be installed whenever we can. All right, so that was week 44. Everything is progressing well. We appear to be, staying on target as far as our timelines are concerned. We got good news this past week that some of the things we thought might hold us up, as far as equipment showing up and being able to be put in place, we resolved it, and yeah, I think that we are on track. So yeah, this coming week we'll be working more on the front end, trying to finish up that space. I believe we have painters coming in this week to paint in there, and yeah, we'll try to get that as ready as we can. And yeah, thank you all so much for sticking with us, and I will see you in the aisles.